As smart fire safety and home security evolve, smoke alarms are shifting from local alerts to remote monitoring and intelligent early warnings. Unionman IoT's Cat.1 modules provide reliable 4G connectivity for smart detectors, enabling instant alert transmission to users or management platforms upon threat detection, ensuring real-time, remote protection. With ultra-low power consumption for long battery life and strong signal coverage in basements, warehouses, and other challenging environments, they ensure uninterrupted operation. Paired with Module Plus data service, they simplify integration for manufacturers. Widely used in homes, shops, and care facilities, Unionman IoT delivers faster, smarter, and more reliable fire safety.